What up, guys? I'm bait balling big caster right here. Got my Abu Garcia. Got the nice 12-pound test. My own Gary Yamamoto box that I use exclusively for catching largemouth bass. Got the ice, as always.
What is going on, guys? Today we're doing another Walmart fishing challenge. What is going on, guys? Today we're doing another small rod big fish challenge. We're gonna be catching 100 pounds of bass on one Senko.
Here comes the music.
Bro. This will attract many a bassling to my precious rod. They say that flatheads love a good strawberry for dessert after devouring a bluegill. With that knowledge in mind, there's nothing stopping me now. When you're fishing in America, you must use the American cuisine, such as this blob of plastic and 10% cheese. Cast this cookie out like so. Maybe a nice largemouth bass will swim by.
Subscribe. I know where you live.
Some good coffee.
You got games on your phone? You got games on your phone? Man, I be looking gripped out. I be like,
Hey, I think you're doing it wrong.
It seems right to me.
Well, you're dumb.
Oh no.
oh, I almost had him. There goes my last Senko. Alright. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna call it. I'm gonna go find something to fish with. Alright, there we go. I finally got some bait. This has probably gotta have like a good top water action, I reckon. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, dude, there's no way we don't catch something. Bro, look at the action on that. It's just too good.
Alright, clovers. Never fail.
You ain't trapping your own fish. What are you doing? Get your goldfish. There's enough right there. See these little fishies? They attract more fishies. Get your rope figured out. You see that little eddy over there? Take on minnow trap and give it a little toss. Now, there's a trick here. I give it a little 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how you catch your own bait. You think I go to the store and pay $4 to scoop a minnow? Nah, you gotta do it right here. Redneck country way.
Well, I heard apparently there's this guy who caught an 8-pounder on a wacky rig this one time. So yeah, I bet we'll probably get one. No doubt in my mind that we won't. Should be like first cast. If you know, that's just my kind of luck. That's usually how it goes. Well, it wasn't an 8-pounder, but whoever told me you get them clearly lied to me, because this thing is pathetic. Oh, that has to be a big one.
Now, here comes the music.
Dude, that's got to be like a 2-pounder. There's no way. Oh, I see him. He's moving in the weeds. He's probably down deep. He's down here somewhere. gotta.
So you want to see my fish? Welcome to my fish collection. In today's episode, we will be checking out a very pricey and precious largemouth bass. Check out the colors on that bad boy. Don't forget, you have this emerald green with those stripes on the fish. Very pricey. There's also a purple sheen if you look at it just right and use your imagination. Okay, buddy, I'm really sad to have to let you go. But we spent such good time together, and I hope your wound on your lip heals. Here you go, buddy. Just go back to your family and live a good. Go, buddy, go.
Well, I'm halfway wet. I ain't minnow, so go fish on. And that, my friends, is how you catch minnows the proper way. Excuse me. What do you think you're doing fishing here?
I was just trying to catch a fish.
You know you can't fish here, right?
I think we can.
Fish, it hurts them. You ever think about their feelings? You quit being so selfish.
It really doesn't hurt them that bad.
I'm sorry. I know my rights and I know I have them. And I know it's in my rights to call the cops on you for fishing because it's illegal.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna call the cops on you if you don't stop fishing.
I think I'm gonna keep fishing.
I need you to stop fishing right now. It's violating my space. I feel violated. I feel threatened.
I think I'm gonna keep on fishing. No thanks.
And you'll pay the price.
What?